It starts when you hire the firm. Before we do a strategy session, we want to collect as much information as possible. Never do we want to be 3 months down the line in a case only to realize there was something we wished we'd known from the very beginning. So we want to get to know everything there is about a client and their case facts at the very beginning. And then once we have all these case details, we always want to keep them at the front of our mind for every critical juncture. So we're moving along, we've got an initial case hearing in front of the judge. We're going to be reviewing that, putting together the necessary paperwork and preparing the client. Later on, we're going to have mediation. We're going to want to reviewing all of the information that not only the client's given us, but anything that we've collected or discovered from the opposing counsel, opposing party. And ultimately, one of the things that allows us to work really well and keep track of all the critical details is the way in which we collaborate with clients. It's a little bit of a win-win situation. We get to make sure that we're always on top of all the case details, that the clients are very determined that we keep track and understand. But then also because we're so actively collaborating with each client that they feel really included and are very comfortable, they get a peace of mind because they see we're on top of everything. And so not only does working with them kind of allow them to verify that we're on top of all the case details, but it gives them that greater ease and comfort as we go into a mediation or a contested motion hearing, or if need be, a trial at the end of their case.